Okay, so this is the Cincinnati 2OM after we took it back and installed the new hydraulic pump kit in it, and I'm just going to talk about what we had to do. So first of all, the original pump was mounted in the gearbox over here on the right side of the machine. The gearbox was extracted, cleaned out, and the drain line that went from the bottom of it back to the other side of the machine was capped off, as well as the hydraulic pump that's actually mounted to that gearbox was opened up, and the lines were taken off of it. The gears inside the pump were taken out of it. The pump was closed up again, and the two input and output lines were blocked. From now on, your gearbox is going to be filled up with a 80W90 gear oil, which you're going to be putting in right here. You notice I put a higher pipe there so that you can put, they said the maximum of 4 quarts of oil. I don't think it's going to need 4 quarts of oil, but we're going to find out when we put it in. Over here is the hydraulic pump. The new hydraulic pump came from Always Precision. It was a nice kit. Also, the new pressure regulator, pressure gauge, or switch, whatever you want to call it. It's got all new hydraulic lines and fittings. Down here, under this blue cover, is the cast into the frame, or the base of this machine, is a reservoir for the oil. That's been scrubbed out and cleaned out and flushed out, and we've run oil through it mixed with mineral spirits, and we've now drained all that out, and we have fresh, clean Velicite number 10 spindle oil in here. So that's pretty much what we did. This is your pressure regulator. This is your low pressure for your spindle. This is your high pressure for your dresser. I'm going to go ahead and start the grinding wheel. Now, when you first start the wheel up, you're going to see some activity over here in the oil reservoir, the sight glass on top. You're going to see a couple of big bubbles come up at first while things are moving around, but then it's going to settle down. You should not see any bubbles. We don't have any air in the lines anymore because we have a new pump on here. Your hydraulic dresser is working fine. It's not causing the pressure switch to drop out. Some electrical things were added to the electrical cabinet, an overload for that new pump motor. Everything fit in there nicely. So this is the 2OM. We've run it now for several hours. We've checked the amperage, we've checked for leaks. Everything should be fine and ready to go. Thank you very much.